Hi everyone, I'm Stuart from StuartVideo.com and I'm going to do an unboxing today for looks like the TOTU USB 3, not the USB 3, USB C triple display dock station by TOTU. I don't know how to say that. TOTU. Okay, so this is the box, and I need a replacement because the other one I am using is kind of messing up on me. Actually, hold on, I'll go get it. It's me right now. But this is the one that's being replaced by pluggable, but it's not working properly. It doesn't give me 3 monitors, which I need. So I have 1 monitor coming out of my laptop to HDMI and 2 from this unit, even though this is supposed to do 3, but they claim limited compatibility and that my laptop is not compatible. So I've been using it for quite a while. Needed to find a solution, and I'm hoping that this will be the solution. And they tell me it'll work. I've seen good things about it. They sent me one, and so let's do the review. I gotta do the unboxing. We can go to camera 2, or we can try the picture-in-picture. The picture-in-picture looks pretty good. We can do this one. Yeah, we can do this one. So it's okay that the lower third stays there. Get these things out of the way. Gotta get this keyboard out of the way too. Okie dokie. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit more. Got my handy PTZ camera. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. Trying to get used to this whole multi-view, which looks like it's working pretty good. Okay, this doesn't seem to be any tape on this one. There's some instructions on the back, but they're very hard to see. Very light gray writing. I don't know if you can see that on there. Basically, it's contact information showing the ports. There's not much to the box. It's a little very dented from the travel, but let's hope it's all good inside. What I'm trying to achieve there with the 3 monitors. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you can. And now we got the TOTU. Actually, there's another box on this side. Looks like it may be the power supply. I'm trying to get used to this thing. Where am I? Right there. Okay, yeah, it's the power supply. Pretty much your standard power supply. 1.5 amps. Output 20 volts. Okay. 20 volts at 1.5 amps. Pretty much standard connector. Standard power cord, might as well put them together so I don't lose them. Looks like it comes with 1 USB-C cable, which is pretty good. It's got a premium feel to the cable. Feels pretty good. Looks like it's not that long, but maybe 3 feet, 2.5, something like that. Under 6. It's only 2.5 feet. Okay. Put that over there. The cover to the box over there. Now it's got a jump drive or flash drive or USB drive. I was told that this probably has the drivers on it. So I don't expect it to work without loading these drivers. And it's a cute little thumb drive. Let me take it out of the package. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that's cute. I wonder how. It's probably really tiny though. I mean, and the storage of it. I mean, it is tiny by itself, but the actual storage on it. I guess we'll see in a few minutes. So we got that, a cable, more cardboard. Get rid of some of this. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. Oh, it's smaller than I thought, which is kind of groovy. Okay, oh, it's got some weight to it. Which is always a good sign. It means they use good parts. Usually when the stuff's a little heavier, it's usually made pretty good. Oh, the whole outside's made of metal. It's got like a built-in heat sink to the whole thing. Oh, that's pretty wild. Actually, zoom in just a little bit more. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, it's got like a built-in heat sink. So let's see, what do we got for the ports? We have what looks like let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more. I gotta get used to this camera. Okay, so it looks like we have USB 3, HDMI, USB C, USB 3.0, and then you got Thunderbolt. Power, Ethernet, DisplayPort 1, DisplayPort 2, and actually it has a USB 2.0 on there as well. Two USB 2.0, but one USB 3.0. Oh, that's pretty good on that side. And then on the front side, it's got an SD card slot. SD card micro, looks like. Speaker, not speakers, headphones, and microphone jack. And another two USB 3.0, two of them. USB 3 in the front, two of them. It's pretty clean looking. It's got some weight. So this is supposed to, this will be replacing the other one that I have from Pluggable, which is not working, and I have two of them. So this new one works out. By TOTU, I will be buying another one because I need two. One for my editing station and one for the studio where I am now. So because right now in here I have right there. This is harder to do than you think. Okay. So, right, but the logo should be at the front, right? That's how you do it. Yeah, that's how we do it. So, that's the USB-C triple display docking station by TOTU, or TOTU. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna try this out, and I'll show you some video of that, and we'll be back in it. Overall, wow, I really like this dock. Compared to the other one, I mean, it just works. I don't see any glitches with it yet. All the USB things connected. I have a hub connected to the dock because I actually have a lot of USBs, which was the thing that all these cables were coming to my laptop. And then when I moved it from this room to my editing room, I had to unplug all these things, and now it brings me down to one cable, one Thunderbolt USB C cable, and one power cable. My laptop takes a lot of power, so it has to have a separate power cable. But that's fine. I'm down to 2 out of many cables, as you saw in the video. And when I unplug the the USB C Thunderbolt cable, of course, everything drops out. All the monitors and stuff shut off, as they should. And a second later, I plug it in, and it picks up in like another 3 seconds. All the monitors come on, all the bloop, bloop, bloop. You hear all the USB things, and it's very quick. The other one sometimes didn't. The other one that I replaced that wasn't working well would take like 30 seconds to, or not even come in, and I'd have to unplug it again, wait, plug it in, take it out again, and usually it would come back, but I'd have to fight with it a little bit. The new one, right away, does what it's supposed to do. Had it running for a day or two. It's a pleasure to come out from this room to my editing bay, because it's just 2 cables, and don't have to shut down the computer. Programs don't freeze. I mean, literally. Oh, I gotta go to the other room. Boom, plug it in. Everything comes on to life. The bigger system in the studio, and get to what you're supposed to be doing. It's like a plug and play, no fuss, no muss. Once you set it up, highly recommend it. So that's the USB-C triple docking station by TOTU. Go get one. Yeah. They're not cheap, but they do the job. When you want something to work, you get what you pay for. So, thank you for watching. And I'm Stuart Rivera, and I'll catch you in the next one.